Today, we're diving into the world of creativity with the 3Doodler Flow 3D printing pen, a fantastic tool for teens, adults, and creators of all kinds. This pen, from the pioneers of 3D printing pens, is compatible with 1.75mm plastic filaments like PLA, ABS, and even wood, offering you a versatile range of materials to bring your ideas to life. With an integrated LCD for real-time temperature monitoring, you'll enjoy smooth and reliable 3D printing without the hassle of complicated software or hardware setups. Simply plug it in, insert the plastic, and watch as your imagination takes shape with ease, whether you're building freehand or using stencils. The 3Doodler Flow is not just a tool. It's a gateway to screen-free fun and learning, perfect for teachers, students, and anyone looking to explore hands-on creativity. Plus, it's compact and lightweight, making it ideal for crafting on the go, whether you're making handmade gifts, decorations, or tackling DIY repairs. Inside the box, you'll find 8 vibrant colors of plastic spools and a comprehensive activity guidebook, ensuring you have everything you need to start your creative journey with the 3Doodler Flow. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.